Well, our first guest is joining us here in studio, Mr. John Hollister. John is the CEO of Imaging3 Incorporated. IGNG is their stock symbol. John, always great to see you.
It's great to see you, Don, and thank you for having us.
Well, you've had a busy week, a lot of excitement going on. You've had a couple of press releases. Why don't you tell us what's going on?
Yeah, you know, it is very exciting. We're making progress. We're building the team that we have to in order to be successful in this and developing the Dominion, our imaging device, and getting it through the FDA. And so the announcement that we made this week was a partnership with a group called Halteris Associates, an amazing consultancy out of Northern California, and their managing partners, Mickey Erde and Rich Thayer, are going to help us as an extension of the management evaluate commercial opportunities, options, and really help us with painting a picture of where we're going, as well as giving us advice in financing and regulatory and reimbursement, all the keys to being a successful, commercializable healthcare company.
And of course, we had talked last week about the stock split, went into detail on that, and that's become reality.
Yeah, so yeah, exactly. And we got news from FINRA that we are moving ahead, and it will be effectuated this week. That is the stock split. So it'll be a multiple of 20 times whatever the price is at the close of the day. And so we're excited about that. Really important for the company, just to remind your viewers that we're doing this so that we can have access to more shares and ultimately be at a price point where we can realize a $3 to $4 value at some point, hopefully, if we continue to make progress and the community or the investors see it that way.
Well, so many factors kick in when you have a higher stock price. You can attract better talent, you can attract better financing, and there's a lot of things that kick in.
Yeah, it's true. You know, it's I didn't know this until a few years ago when I got into the OTC market, but many brokers are actually precluded from trading penny stocks or even stocks that are under $1. So the higher our price goes over time, the value of the company grows. We actually have access to more mainstream, if you will, brokers, and that helps more investors have access to our company.
Well, of course, you know, you're relatively still new as the CEO of the company. You hit the ground with your feet running. I mean, I have to congratulate you on that. So what's next? What's next on your agenda?
Well, so there's some critical needs for our company. One, you know, given the history, we really, and I'm focused on how do I build out a team that is viewed as and can be capable of doing what we're going to do, which is a lot of heavy lifting. So one of the areas where I'm looking is our corporate board. You know, your listeners know that we've added scientific advisors to a scientific advisory board. We'd like to add some people to the corporate board. The board members have done a great job through this difficult time, the existing members, but we need to add some people who have real applicable experience in this space to help me, because I'm one of these people who knows I don't know everything. I've been in this business for 30 years. I know a lot about how to commercialize in the healthcare space, but there's a lot more to know, and having a few more experienced eyes on the goal is very helpful to me.
Well, it's very helpful as CEO to have, you know, high pedigree people that you can bounce ideas off, ask questions of, use their expertise, use their experience.
And I hope to be able to, and we hope to be able to announce some things in the next couple of weeks to do exactly that. The other area that's really important to us, you know, and I think from our history, everybody would acknowledge this, is the regulatory side. So we're hopeful of bringing in some real talent in medical device regulatory experience to help guide our pathway going forward, to help develop out the 510K submission, to do the rest of the work. As I think your viewers know, we've actually accomplished half of it, the ISO testing of the software, but we need to do the hardware testing, the hazard analysis as it's referred to, and then also compile the 510K itself and have the interactions with the agency, the FDA, which we're real excited to bring in real talent. So look in the next couple of weeks, hopefully we'll have some good news in that area.
Once again, Imaging3 Incorporated, IGNG. John, exciting times. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Don. Appreciate it.